Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and credentials. This is critical because a reset clears update settings. First, backup photos, contacts, and app data to the cloud or a PC. Once done, make sure your battery is above 50% or keep the phone plugged in. Next, confirm your Google account email and device PIN because you will need them after the reset. Now open Settings and go straight to System. That's where we'll trigger the update reset procedures. You will now clear the components that manage updates. This forces a fresh update check. First, open Settings, then Apps, and enable Show System Apps so you see core services. Next, select Google Play Services and Google Services Framework. Clear cache and storage for each, and use Force Stop when available. After that, open the System Update app or Settings right arrow System right arrow Software Update and clear its data too. These actions remove corrupted state and let the device download a clean update manifest. You finish by rebooting to apply the cleared state. A clean reboot allows services to reinitialize correctly. Once the phone restarts, open System Update and tap Check for updates. This triggers a fresh download of the update manifest. If updates still fail, sign back into your Google account and recheck, or boot to recovery to wipe cache partition and retry. As a last resort, perform a factory reset or reinstall the OTA via recovery. These steps resolve persistent corruption, but require your backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.